Ramesh ji, please say what is your feeling from Aravinda Bhavan? You saw Aravinda Bhavan. You seen his details, his histories, and you saw Netaji Bhavan. We went Netaji Bhavan. What is your feeling? Please tell us.
महाकवि कुवेंपु ಭಾರತ ಜನನೀಯತನ ಜಾತೆ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ ಗೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡಂ ಪಾಳಿಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇದೊಂದು ಸಹ
হাহাকার শুনিও নিঃশব্দে নীরবে বুঢ়ালুই তুমি বুঢ়ালুই কোৱা কিয় বিস্তাৰ হে আমাৰ
what I feel our living rivers Ganga, Kaveri. When I visited first Aurobindo's the spirituality, Anubhava, Anubhuti, Adhyatma, something I get vibrated. I get peace also. We got the spiritual या आशय है ना खुश में आता है धन्यते होता है धन्य the man of spirit the man of philosopher and his messages it made me silent in silence so many things will happen in that one moment meditation also I get a lot of things. Amazing. It's can't explainable. See, I'm breathing. If you say, show your breathing, it can't possible. It's my experience. ಉಸಿರಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ತೋರೆಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ತೋರಲೆ ನಾನು ಉಸಿರಾಡೋದು ಸತ್ಯ ಅದು ನನ್ನ ಸತ್ಯ ಅದು. And then when I went to Subhash Chandra Bose, the man of spirit, the man of courage, the man of sacrifice, who he struggled, who is sacrificed. मेरा जीवन धन्य हो गया लेकिन हम क्या करता हूँ हमको स्वातंत्र मिल गया we got freedom but what we are doing whether the values of freedom we never carry to our children. That is a tragical thing, yes. Including me. Yes. Including me. I'm not blaming anyone. First I'm blaming myself. Yeah. What we are doing. How the people struggled, sacrificed to get freedom. What we are doing. And any government, whether BJP, Congress, JDS, TMC, or whatever, ADMK, any government never carry the beautiful things, the values of freedom to last corner of the people. Yes. If I go through the history, even Nehruji, I got a lot of values. I'm shaking. What is this? What is this? Now my hero is Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They given injustice to Ambedkar also. See, go through the deep. What is this? It means I'm not blaming to Congress party or praising to some other party. For the things your people, your ambition only capture the seat, rule the country. In what way? At least on ethics, morality, sacrification, it has to be them.
Yes.
When I see Subhash Chandra Bose, see how much the man of whole courage, yes. Spirit, that we have to teach our younger generation, coming generation and kids. Because now I am observing the people struggled and did anything, so many things. You were told about Shyam Prakash Mukherjee, the tiger of Bengal. Even we have got tiger of Mysuru, Tipu Sultan.
As this
Not
matters.
one thing I'll declare, Pitamaji.
Yeah.
I'm not leftist. I'm not rightist.
No.
I'm lifeist. I'm lifeist. जीव का प्रीति प्रेम समता जीव कारण मेरे को चाहिए. मेरा पॉलिटिशियन वो नहीं चाहिए, उसका पावर चाहिए. वो पावर के लिए क्या कुछ भी करता था, कुछ भी करता था. इसके पॉलिटिशियन के क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए, नैतिकता, प्रामाणिकता, स्वच्छता, वो क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए. अभी मैं दे सकता हूँ. एजुकेशन क्या हो गया हमारा पूरा पंचभूत सेल हो गया. पृथ्वी सेल हो गया, ऑक्सीजन सेल हो गया, फायर सेल हो गया, आकाश में एवरीथिंग सेल. देन व्हाट इज द लाइफ? व्हाट इज द लाइफ? व्हाट इज द रियल लाइफ? Go Arvind Ashram and this thing I'm recalling myself that what is it? पृथ्वी के लिए, ये भूमि के लिए मैं ग्राहक नहीं, रक्षक होते हैं. The beautiful thing, humanity thinks. If my consumer attitude, it's going to spoil everything. This is the message to the whole world. What I'm saying, some part of it I'm observing of some part of it is, but Modi ji never give any injustice to my farmers at that time. But rest of the things, I'm appreciate it, I'm salute it. For the award or Rajya Sabha, whatever, you give last corner of the people, pick. But the Congress government never do it. It's actioned. Sale. Congress has got great history. But today Congress people making nonsense. The most, you see the assault of Mallikarjun Kharge, he is the president of All India Congress Party now. Can you check it? How much assault he have? 50 years ago. What is his position? Now is the Congress people are need money. Do whatever it may. Money. They make them, fix them president. Okay. In this same party, one beautiful and wonderful soul is there. A.K. Antony. He is 2-time Chief Minister Kerala. 1-time Defense Minister. See what is his assault? Maximum 18 to 20 lakhs. The Congress party never put into position. They want money. धंधा करता था. इसलिए तो यो पूर्व इतिहास है कांग्रेस को. सुभाष चंद्र को क्या कर दिया? वो क्या कर दिया? मैं कोई पार्टी वाला नहीं है, मैं कांग्रेस को प्यार करता हूँ, लेकिन वो कांग्रेस है, ये कांग्रेस चल रहा गंदा गाली है. दुख होते मेरे को, दुख होते. गांधी जी मैं बहुत प्यार करता था. गांधी जी, बुद्ध, बसवण्ण, अम्बेडकर, कबीर, गुरु नानक, सबको पढ़ता हूँ. मैं कोई जाति नहीं है, मैं कोई मैं कहता हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, सिख सभी एक ही है, सभी सैक्रिफाइस कर दिया. मैं क्या पूछता हूँ मिस्टर राहुल गांधी. फर्स्ट आई ऑफ कोर्स इज ट्रैवल्ड फ्रॉम साउथ टू नॉर्थ. आई अप्रिशिएट. You never take position in Manmohan Singh plot. I'll appreciate. And one more thing I'll appreciate. Your sister Priyanka, she killed Rajiv Gandhi, Nalini. She's in Coimbatore jail. She went there, discussed her, and give appeal to give Kshama karo, forgive. Like that Pranab Mukherjee ko. I salute her. She's the beauty of, that is the shame of democracy, shame of our India. Because such humanity allowed it. But to whom people you are going to give position? Who? The corrupt most people. They say, I am the leader of Dalit. What is this? What you did for Dalits? Mallikarjun Kharge, what you did for my Dalits? Tell me. What you did? Every moment of calculating, hanging the power. तुम्हारे पुत्र को कर्नाटक सर पे पावर चाहिए. पुत्र को है, उसका पुत्र प्रियंका कृष्ण को है. कैसे रहे? इसलिए तो रोल मॉडल मोदी होता है. उसका परिवार को नहीं मिल गया. राजीव गांधी, राहुल गांधी, you have to note this. First you think yourself, who is Mallikarjun Kharge? What is his total assault? Tell me. In the name of Dalit, he is the Rakshas for Dalit. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule once again told me, forget about the issues of untouchability and related things of president. In future, Rakshas are coming in our own community. Their Jyotiba, Bullet Road. That is today. Their community Rakshasa, in the name of Dalit, in the name of backward, they are going to gain power, money, everything. My people is still there. They're sitting, they're watching. When the good days come, one day good. This thing happened when I see Subhash Chandra Bose. Because I'm not anybody's movement. It's my voice of my downtrodden, my suffering people. They're still suffering. They never get justice. I ask all the parties, first give justice to the last color of the people. Feed them. Give water to last color of the people. मैं इसलिए तो सबको पूछता हूँ, मैं कोई पार्टी नहीं, मैं एड़पंथी नहीं, बलपंथी नहीं, मैं जीवनपंथी है. सबको पार्टी को मैं हाथ जोड़ के पूछता हूँ, ये नैतिकता, प्रामाणिकता, मानवता, ये सब भी चाहिए. सब तो पॉलिटिशियन छोड़ दिया, उसके लिए पोजीशन दिया. कौन नैतिकता, कौन मानवता, कौन प्रामाणिक है, कौन आदर्श है, उसको दिया. गंदा वाला को, दंदा वाला को तो अभी पोजीशन के पैसा वाला को शेयर करती है. पॉलिटिक्स नहीं है. पॉलिटिक्स के अर्थ राजकारण अर्थ में ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಕಲೆಯಂತೆ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ ಕವಿಯಂತೆ ಜೀವ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ಅನಂತ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯು ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಗುರಿಯಂತೆ ಸ್ವಾರ್ಥದ ಆಚೆಗೂ ಯೋಚಿಸುವ ಶ್ರಮದ ಕೈ. ಬಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. Politics is not a business. Education is not a business. Health is not a business.
Yeah.
The system made three things are business. You see, almost all engineering and medical colleges, almost are having MPs only. How they come? You come out with the statistics. They have education societies. They have never go implementation. Government has they have got plenty of sources to achieve. But these people, first to think about who has got education, capitalist. Almost all MPs. They have their own engineering, medical, and whatever the colleges and different. This is ridiculous. First, we have to give one different dimension. Who is going to enter into politics? What is his eligibility? What is there? ನೈತಿಕತೆ ಉಂಟಾ, ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಉಂಟಾ, ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಉಂಟಾ, ಆದರ್ಶ ಉಂಟಾ, ಒಳಿತು ಉಂಟಾ, good concern, good things. All worst of vulgar people going to take the positions. They corrupted our common people also. Making money. ये धंधा नहीं है, धंधे है. वो धंधा करता था, गंदा करता था, गाली करता था. इसलिए तो दुख होता है. कोई पार्टी ने just including me, I'm realizing. Yes, human will do mistake, but you have to realize. Confession is there. In this politics, they don't know meaning the word of confession. Just blaming for any issue. 3 days ago, at least we have one night. Protest terrorism. Bring humanity first. They are never do. In this also, they are going to use it. This is ridiculous. First, think yourself. Be you good and then teach them. You are worst. You are going to teach. This is not fun. So finally, what I'm saying, ಹಗಲು ಬಿಳಿ ಪಾರಿವಾಳ ಆರಿಸಿ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅವುಗಳ ಕವನ ಕಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ದ ಡೇ they are spreading dose. पारिवाल को वो कबूतर को पैसे करता है. रात को स्टोन में करते. ये पॉलिटिशियन ये अच्छी नहीं. हम जिंदगी को वैल्यू है. टू कम. इसलिए तो उड़ोಣ, कटोಣ, बालोಣ, ಬೆಳಗೋಣ. साथ आवेंगे, साथ जिएंगे, साथ रचेंगे, खिल जाएंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's shine together. Thank you. धन्यवाद.